Hello friends, once again today we are going to be learning how we can convert our PDF to numerous other formats so that we can be more productive in our place of work and the rest of that. Okay, so PDF has to do with the document which is now editable, which is in picture format, okay, which is in picture display format. So but in that situation is not editable, but thanks to I love PDF and some other tools that are online. However, this is the one I use almost all the time when in my place of work to convert document from PDF to Word document so that I can be able to edit it and then reconvert it again online for free. Okay, so this is absolutely for free, no signing needed, nothing. You just have to do it for free. So what you want to do is to go to I love PDF. There are quite some other ones online, however many of them will require you to sign in, many of them require you to do some other things. Now, because what you want to do is PDF to Word, I want to come to this place and then I'm going to click on it, PDF. So it's going to ask me to select the PDF file. So there are quite a lot of PDF files that I have here. Okay, so I'm going to select one of them. I'm going to select one of them in this particular place. So let me select this one that I have here, then I'm going to click on it. So it's going to open. So see it here downloading in this particular place. Okay, and then so when it's now downloaded, you can see this convert to Word button. So that is just what you want to click, and then it will start converting the PDF document to Word. So there is no limit to the number of pages that it has. That you should that it has, that you should do this. So the next thing, now you find out that it has already downloaded, and that what I want to do now is to click on it over here. So my Word document will now start to open. So it's asking me what couldn't start last time, safe mode could be. So let me just say yes. Okay, and then it's going to open this safe mode, and thereafter I'm going to click on edit and be able to edit the PDF document that I have converted into the Word document. Okay, so this is basically how simple it is for you to be able to change your Word document to your PDF document to your Word document and be able to work with it. Now there are quite some this is quite interesting because there are a lot of documents you may want to edit, you may want to work on office document and the rest of that, and then you want to edit it. Is just a simple way of you to be able to do this. Okay, so I think it's taking its time to load in this place, maybe because I troubleshooted the computer I didn't troubleshoot the computer rather before working with this, but this is basically how it's supposed to respond to, it's supposed to open, and then you'll be able to edit your document. So all these files here are actually my previous work, so let me just use it to show you what it's going to be like. So it's going to be like this immediately, and then you'll be able to do some editing. This is editable now, so you can write the figures you want to write, and you want to do quite some other stuff in it. So I hope this have been able to this video have been able to help you understand how you can be able to convert your PDF document to a Word document ASAP. Thank you for watching. Please, if you got value from this, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. In subsequent time, we are making our studio where you get to see the face of your teacher and also interact very well with the person. Please do us well to subscribe to our channel and like our video and the rest. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.